Hello everyone, welcome back in this video. Welcome back again in another glamorous thigh high heels over knee shoes collection. My dear friends, it's the shining leathers comfortable shoes collection you guys wear in your every type of dresses and looking stunning, beautiful and attractive. It's a glamorous ideas you can even try in your every type of dresses and look like beautiful, attractive. So you must watch this video and must sharing to your reviews. It's a different types of leather dresses, some type of shoes collections you guys wear and looking stunning and declare your levels of present in different, very elegant and very fabulous. It's a beautiful collection, beautiful idea, so you must try this type of designs in your dresses and must subscribe my channel and hope you like them and enjoying them. And for more this type of video, don't forgetting to subscribing this. It's a different type of collections, different type of design you can even wear, so you must watch my video till the end and sharing to your reviews about this, how about these collections and how about this idea.